In a bustling metropolis of the future, where technology reigns supreme, we witness the vibrant energy of a world shaped by search engine algorithms. Meet Alexa, a brilliant student driven by a thirst for knowledge and a desire to share it with others. She delves deep into the world of search engine optimization to uncover the hidden truths that lie within. As Alexa researches for her latest video, she stumbles upon a hidden document that challenges the very core of search engine algorithms. Her revelation sends shivers down her spine and sets the stage for an unexpected turn of events. Driven by a desire to educate and empower her audience, Alexa sets out to expose the truth about the dark side of SEO. With each word, she aims to spark a wave of awareness and challenge the status quo. The powerful tech corporation, aware of Alexa's intentions, unleashes a team of faceless agents, led by Agent Smith, to silence her and maintain control over search engine algorithms. Cornered and faced with the threat of being silenced, Alexa knows she must act swiftly to protect herself and spread the truth. Utilizing her knowledge of SEO, Alexa skillfully manipulates the algorithms, exploiting their weaknesses to expose her video to a massive audience. Instead of being silenced, Alexa's video spreads like wildfire across the internet, captivating and awakening a massive audience. Inspired by Alexa's courage, her YouTube audience rises up as a united force, demanding a change in the controlling nature of search engine algorithms. Alexa, once just a brilliant student, becomes the face of a movement that reshapes the future of search engine optimization. Her journey sparks hope and inspires a generation. As search engines evolve to align with the demands of a united front, the future of SEO takes a new form, ensuring fairness, transparency, and the power of knowledge prevails. Alexa's mission accomplished, she smiles knowing that her courage and determination have made a lasting impact, reminding us that the truth cannot be silenced and the power of the people is limitless.